This week again, the Supreme Court affirmed the decision of the Sandigan Bayan doon sa kaso ni former President Ferdinand Marcos, kasama na yung kanyang mga cronies, sila Lucio Tan et al. For allegedly ill-gotten wealth. No? And this was filed against the estate of the late Ferdinand Marcos and the so-called business tycoon na si Lucio Tan. At ang allegation ng ating prosecution, yung PCGG nung araw, nag-connive ang Marcoses para palaguin, bigyan ng special concession, patulungan ng government funds ang mga kumpanya ni Lucio Tan, including Asia Brewery, Allied Bank, Fortune Tobacco, Maranao Hotels, Virginia Tobacco, Redrying Plant, Northern Tobacco, Redrying Plant, pati yung Century Park Hotel, Allied Leasing Corporation, and marami pang korporasyon. And ang sabi nila front lang daw itong mga cronies na ito at ang real owners dito ay ang Marcoses. In 2012, dinismiss ng Sandigan Bayan itong mga kasong ito dahil for lack of evidence. And again, when it went to the Supreme Court, sabi ng Korte Suprema, tama yung Sandigan Bayan kasi there was no direct link established between Lucio Tan insofar as these companies are concerned at ang Marcoses. And ang sabi ng Supreme Court, yung resolution ng December 22, 2010 ng Sandigan Bayan, noong 2012 ng Sandigan Bayan, no, saying that there is lack of material evidence against the Marcoses is now being sustained. Naging final na po yung desisyon ng Sandigan Bayan clearing the estate of Marcos from the charges of ill-gotten wealth.